Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello, travelers. In this video, I will explain how the term bubble gun relates to Genshin Impact. It's important to clarify that a bubble gun as an in-game weapon or gadget does not exist. The Seijuan bubble gun you might have heard about is actually a piece of official merchandise, a fun physical toy for fans. It's a collectible item, not something you can use in Teyvat. So, while it's a charming accessory in real life, it's not part of your character's arsenal. While there isn't a bubble gun, you can certainly unleash water-based attacks in the game, especially during underwater combat in the region of Fontaine. When diving, your characters gain special abilities by interacting with unique creatures called xenochromatic Fontemer aberrants. For instance, you can borrow the hunter's Ray's ability to shoot sharp water blades or the blubberbeast's sonar waves. These temporary powers are crucial for navigating and fighting enemies in the vast underwater world. Beyond underwater mechanics, many Hydro characters in Genshin Impact naturally wield water-based attacks through their elemental skills and bursts. For example, characters such as Barbara can summon a melody loop that applies Hydro, while Neuvillette unleashes powerful torrents of water. These abilities are core to their combat styles, allowing them to deal damage, apply elemental effects, or provide healing. While not called bubble guns, their attacks often involve shooting various forms of water projectiles. Finally, let's consider gadgets. Genshin Impact features numerous gadgets designed to aid in exploration, puzzle solving, and resource gathering. However, there isn't a specific gadget that acts as a bubble gun for combat purposes. While some gadgets might interact with water, such as those that help with underwater stamina or navigation in Fontaine, none are designed to shoot water or bubbles as an offensive weapon. Your primary water-based combat comes from Hydro characters and borrowed underwater abilities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.